Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsandStamp.com, and I'm here to show you the reveal and inspiration of our Creepy Craft Kit. This is a really fun kit that you can use for Halloween, and it's packed full of fun things, starting with the Vignette Coffin from Tim Holtz. It is fully wood, and you can paint it or cover it with your papers or do other techniques to it. You'll also get a full pack of the Boneyard bones. There are about 15 bones in here. There's some smaller ones that are underneath. You could spell out some fun words or just stack those. You'll also get a pack with the 2 spiders, and these are the Tim Holtz adornments. You'll also get a full pack of the Halloween accents, and these are perfect size for the coffin. They can fit exactly on the width, and you can use those corners. There's also a skull and an owl in the center. Also in the kit, you'll get the Vellum Haunts, and these are slightly transparent, so you can see some light through them. I'll thumb through these. So you have several figures, a skull, spider webs, more people, an eye chart, another set of couples, and then you have some of these full-size almost sceneries, and another skeleton, another scenery, palm reader. Can't be without Halloween without a palm reader, and also some text and some of these longer ones. So there's different sizes of these vellums, and they're all printed, and they're really unique, and they're going to go really well with another item that we have in this kit. So you're going to get 4 of these little ball lights. So they are individual, they don't go on a string, and they have individual batteries in them. You can pull out this tab and it will light up. And if you hang on to that tab, you can put it back in so that you can save the battery. So just make sure when you put it in your project that you'll be able to access that. But it works really cool. I'm going to put it like towards that moon area. You can see where the light shines through those Vellum Haunts. Super fun idea. Also in this kit is a Brutus Monroe Spooky Eyes stencil, and we've also included a bottle of glow-in-the-dark orange paint. So you could stencil through those eyes and they can glow in the dark. To add a simulation of blood and gore to your project, we've also included the Nouveau Autumn Red Drops, and also for all your papers and to put everything together, a bottle of Multimatte Medium from Ranger. You'll also receive a full package of mummy cloth, and there is enough in here that you could wrap this around your entire coffin if you wanted to make it a mummy. Another interesting item that we've included is some black stamen, and these have a paper center, so you could fold those up, add them to the mummy cloth, and just create a little bit more detail to your coffin. You'll also receive 3 of the Tim Holtz Bitty Bats, and remember you can use your alcohol inks or your paints. They are metal, so you'll get 3 of those in your pack. And finally, for the papers, you're going to receive a full pack of the Tim Holtz Distressed Wallpapers. There are 2 sheets of each design, and there are 12 designs, so you'll get 24 in total. These also have almost a canvas feel to it. I'll pick this up. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. But there's a little bit of texture to these, and they are white on the back side. So there's plenty to work with for your project. And then finally, to round this off, we have 2 sheets of Simon Says Stamp glimmer paper in citron and tanzanite, and these have a really nice texture and also a great sheen. So that is our Creepy Kit, which is a craft kit, but it has plenty to make additional cards during the Halloween season. I have a couple inspiration pieces for you. This first one is from Sharon Brandon, and she created a warm colored coffin with all the browns and used that mummy cloth and one of the Vellum Haunts as a focal point to the bottom portion. I went with more of the grays and black, and I suspended a piece of the Vellum Haunts in the front, and then I put a light behind, and then also used some of the bones and adornments for the top. I hope you enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our Creepy 2020 craft kit, and be sure to check out our blog for more information, and as always, thanks so much for watching.